What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani, and welcome back to my channel. Now, I wanted to record a quick video because a lot of people hit me up asking about how they can build their business larger. How do they get more opportunities working for amazing couples, clients, people that are planning events that they are capable of delivering an incredible service. So I wanted to make a short video to just extend a friendly reminder. Every time you perform, you have the ability to harness opportunity. Every time you go out and do an event, you have the opportunity of directly marketing to however many people are in that room, or to take it a step further, are connected to that universe of people on social media and in their family circles, even if they're not there attending an event. Here's why I'm saying that. I can't tell you how many times I've been contacted over the past 6 months alone by people that weren't even at an event that I performed at, but they knew of someone that was a guest, not a wedding party member, not a family member. They were a plus one. They were a friend of a friend. They were at an event that I did. They witnessed it and became an advocate. And that's kind of where I'm going with this whole thing. By being at an event that I hosted, they had an incredible experience. It had created opportunity for them to remember who I was enough to search me out on social media and to reach out for me. So the case in point, every time you go out, you have the ability of manifesting an opportunity, and you can't ever forget that. A lot of times we might be short-sighted. We might not understand how much opportunity and reach we have at that one event. And it's something that everyone needs to be reminded of from time to time. Here's another example. I just booked an incredibly dope wedding for an amazing couple, and the bride-to-be experienced me at a wedding in 2013. I actually DJ'd her older sister's wedding in 2013, and she's been to probably well over 20 weddings since that wedding in 2013. Here we are 9 years later, and she just booked me for her wedding that's going to happen next year, which is 10 years after the fact of the wedding that she first saw me at. Now, if that's not enough juice to give you that mindset, that power, or to start thinking about that, every time you talk to someone, every time you grab a microphone, every time you crush a dance floor, keep in mind that those good vibes, especially if you do it incredibly well, will come back to you in the future. It might take time. You need to be patient. You need to be consistent, but you always have an opportunity of building your business. The greatest way to build your business is by doing the right thing for people, delivering on your word, being consistent, sharing information, sharing pictures, sharing media content, and building relationships with people that you are working with and the people that work alongside of you each and every time you go out. The bonus that goes even beyond that are the people that are attending your weddings as guests, that are attending the events that you're doing as guests. And they have an incredible power, especially if you do a great job. Never forget, each and every time you go out and perform like it's your last time. Give it your all, 110%. Be kind to everyone you bump into. You never know who they are, what they have going on, and who they are connected to that could possibly help you. It's just human nature. Be kind, be helpful, be attentive, and give it your all. That's it. A friendly reminder from me to you. If you want to boost your business, start with your next event. Give it everything you have. I mean, like everything you possibly can, and really, really work hard. Never forget that the people in front of you, every time you perform, are the future for your business. And whether they're going to be hiring you directly or they're going to refer you because they had such a great time to their family, their friends, the people that they know that are planning a wedding, that right there is gold. Never forget the people that you are in front of are an opportunity for you to build forward and give every couple, every client, every time you do an event, everything you have. And it will surefire pay you back in the future, especially if you consistently do that every time you perform. Now, I've got some videos that I want you to check out. Check out this video right here. And if you're new to the channel, I would be grateful if you bless me and this channel with some sub love. Just crush that subscribe button if you gain something from this video. Thumbs up. And if you disagree with me or agree with me, please throw it in the comments down below. I want to hear from you. Anyway, check out this video. It's for you. I think you're going to enjoy it.